2011 has started on a high note for Irfan Khan as he's been awarded with a Padma Shri. It looks like that the Maharashtra government is sailing on a sinking ship. Scams after scams being exposed is only tarnishing the government's image. And the latest petition filed by Hemant Patil against Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan is only going to add the government's existing problems. And like any other Ganesh devotee, Bollywood stars too are upbeat about this festival by bringing bappas to their houses, cooking delicious modaks and also performing aartis.
Well, and I'll start preparing for the next World Championship, and I find it pretty exhilarating, so I'm just enjoying the journey.
Thank you so much, Rishi, and more power to your moves and whatever else, and hope you bring greater laurels to yourself and the country. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much, man.
The verdict is out and the entire world knows about Ajmal Amir Kasab's fate. But nobody can forget this talk. Yes, I'm talking about Girgaon Chowpatty, a place where Ajmal Amir Kasab had an encounter with the police. It wasn't high-tech weapons but a mere lathi used by the late Constable Tukaram Ombale which helped in catching Kasab.
Filmfare, the lady in black के सपने हर कोई देखता है, लेकिन ये ब्यूटीफुल मिस्टीरियस वुमन आई कहां से? आज वो है 53 साल की। फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड शुरू किए थे 1953 में क्लेयर मेंडोंसा से, जो उस वक्त टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया की फिल्म क्रिटिक भी थी और हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के इतिहास में इंडियन ऑस्कर्स की शुरुआत करने वाली इस लेजेंड को सलामी देने के लिए इन अवार्ड्स को क्लेयर अवार्ड्स का नाम भी दिया गया।
He is one actor who's created a lot of buzz for being paired opposite Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Though he's one of the lead actors in Mani Ratnam's bilingual film Ravan, he is missing from the Hindi promos of the film. We have the man himself, Vikram, who will answer all these questions and on Ravan. Bollywood, because you're also giving a tough fight out there to Spider-Man being the baddie there. So how are you managing things?
It's a chance, you know. It's not a question of managing, you know. I love it.
Did you manage to find who the source is who keeps leaking out your wedding dates and your marriage plans?
I would like to take the opportunity through your channel to tell all my fans who see NewsX that whenever I take the decision of marriage, I think I'm going to let my fans know about it.
टॉप हॉलीवुड एक्टर्स न सिर्फ सुपरस्टार्स हैं बल्कि एक फुल फ्लेज ब्रांड भी, जिनका स्कोप फिल्मों से बाहर निकलकर लाइफस्टाइल प्रोडक्ट्स में एक्सटेंड होता है।
If you had to clean something in the country, you know, given just one day and clean the entire country, what it would be? It does not have to be materialistic, something imaginary.
Oh, I'd clean out the apathy that exists in our culture.
When we sit and calculate her age, she turns 77 today. But nobody can beat the energy and zeal she has towards life and music. I'm talking about the legendary singer Asha Bhosle, who's mesmerized the world with her evergreen voice and persona. Ma'am, first of all, a very happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
They first set the ramp on fire, won varied accolades and then went all out to conquer Bollywood with their spunk and attitude.
Would you like to thank anybody on camera who had been there for you, supporting, encouraging, motivating you through your trials and tribulations?
I like that. I actually want to thank all of India because the outpouring of love and support that I experienced when I got diagnosed was phenomenal.
13 साल की इस टीनेजर को पुष्पावली ने मुंबई के एक स्लीजी होटल में छोड़ दिया। एक ऐसी दुनिया में जो एक ओर अपने स्टाइल और ग्लैमर के लिए जानी जाती थी तो दूसरी ओर अपनी रूथलेसनेस के लिए भी मशहूर थी। और कमाल की बात तो ये है कि सुपरस्टार जेमिनी की इस बेटी को उनकी पहली फिल्म खुद अपने ही दम पर मिली।
We go across to Shobana, who joins us live with an update as to what the situation is back there. Shobana, what can you tell us about the fire? Earlier it was reported that it was a major fire, but now the information is that it is well under control.
You're absolutely right, Rukmani. The fire broke out at around 6:30 today at Orchid Hotel, which is one of the posh hotels near domestic airport.
what happens when a prolific filmmaker like Dibakar Banerjee gets together unusual actors like Abhay Deol and Imran Hashmi. Nothing less than an explosive cinema. I'm talking about their next venture called Shanghai.
Shobna Nair now joins us from Mumbai. Shobna, of course, here, how is the city gearing up for US President Obama?
The city is gearing up to welcome US President Barack Obama along with his family, who will be here in Mumbai on 5th of November on the occasion of Diwali. In fact, the state officials are putting their best foot forward to make sure that this visit is very, very memorable for the entire Obama family. Dharamji believes that Sunny is the most handsome Sardar in the industry. Would you agree?
Definitely, he's my brother. He's the most handsome Sardar.
But don't you feel jealous because even you are wearing a pagdi in the film?
Well, I'm the most handsome owner.
We go across, in fact, to Shobna, who joins us live from Mumbai for more on Amitabh Bachchan's birthday. Shobna, rather unusual that we saw the entire Bachchan family coming out and supporting Big B on his birthday. He likes to keep his birthdays muted affair, but this of course coincides with the launch of Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Absolutely, Rukmani. Today, Kaun Banega Crorepati Season 4 was launched, and what better occasion than Mr. Bachchan's birthday. Bonjour et bienvenue. If you're wondering which language is this, let me tell you, I'm trying hard to speak in French, as I'm with French actress Christine Scott Thomas, who is in India on a visit to promote French cinema.
Had a limited guest list with only family and friends who came by to bless the charming young couple. We wish Imran and Vantika all the happiness and a rocking married life.
2011's first filmy function saw very few Bollywood faces turning up. Nonetheless, there's a grand wedding and a reception to make up for it, hoping to see many more Bollywood faces wishing the young couple.
When you think about France, Cannes Film Festival stands out completely. But do you think, in spite of such a big film festival in the country, do you still need to promote French cinema so extensively?
Well, I think that I heard that we have a 0.5% of the Indian market, which is tiny, tiny, tiny.
Looking good has always been the priority amongst the youngsters, and Navratri may be an excuse for them to go under the knife. But at the end of it all, can we say that natural beauty is a prized possession that is slowly becoming extinct?
In Mumbai, video journalist Krishna Rao, Tapas Ranjan, I am Shobna Nair, signing off.